Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I currently just seconds ago walked in the door from one of the busiest days ever, but you guys know that I pretty much live by one rule, and that's no matter how tired I am, no matter what time of the night I get home, what the circumstances are, I will still always take the last 10 minutes of my day to wash my face and to take care of my skin, or else I will more than regret it. Oh my god, did you hear I said regret? I said regretted. Did you hear that, babe? Yeah. Yeah, that's how you know mom is tired. If I don't, I will more than regret it in the morning. So what I'm gonna do is put my little son down for bed, and then I'm gonna take the last 10 minutes of my day to go ahead and wash my makeup off and treat my skin before my bedtime. And that's exactly what I want to show you guys in today's video. So if you want to see what I do at the end of every single night in order to deep cleanse my skin and to treat it to prevent any breakouts, then just keep on watching. Let's get ready for bed. Okay? Okay. All right, you guys. So, of course, in true fashion, my camera was not filming during the very first step of my nighttime routine, so I decided to go ahead and just refilm that part for you guys. So the very first thing that I am doing is tying my hair back. I am not one of those people that understand how others can wash their face while they still have their hair down. I literally cannot do it. So every single night, I just clip my hair back, get it all out of my face, and then I am ready to begin. Most of you know that I'm a big fan of double cleansing. Once to remove my makeup and then once to cleanse my actual skin. So to remove my makeup, instead of using a makeup wipe that's filled with alcohol, which will probably irritate my really sensitive skin, I'm using an Olay Daily Facial Cloth, which foams up underwater and removes all of my makeup. Next, to cleanse my actual skin, I use the Garnier Micellar cleansing water. I love that it has no oil, alcohol, or fragrance, and this step makes me feel like whatever the cloth left behind is now swiped away. Alright, so the next step is something new that I've been using from Amazon, and it's called the Ultrasonic Skin Scrubber from the brand Lanlan. So this device has 4 different modes. Today I'll be using the daily cleaning mode, which is called the ultrasonic cleansing mode. And then after, I'm going to be using the negative ion mode, which is for use with an essence or a mask. There is also a deep cleansing mode, which helps remove blackheads, dirt from deep under the skin, and a massage mode, which helps to stimulate the skin, fight wrinkles, fine lines, improving elasticity, and overall tightening and lifting the skin. But I won't be using those last 2 modes tonight. So for the daily cleansing mode, while your face is still wet, you run the scrubber over your face for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is a really gentle mode that uses ultrasonic vibrations to remove dirt, oil, makeup, and bacteria that might be stuck behind in my pores. Next, I move on to my favorite toner from Origins, and this is called the Mega Mushroom Relief. You guys, this is the only toner that I've ever used that seriously calms down any type of redness, inflammation, irritation in my skin. My skin loves this stuff for some reason. It like drinks it up. And of course, it also restores my pH balance. After that, I'm going to be moving on to my essence, which basically prepares my skin for it to deeper penetrate any treatments that I'm going to go ahead and apply on top of it. It also refreshes and moisturizes my skin, as you guys can see. And then right over the essence, I'm going to use my scrubber again, and this time I'm using it in the ion negative mode. So this is going to help my skin fully absorb that essence. Of course, you can go ahead and use an essence without using a scrubber on top, but this is a step that I do enjoy. I do not do it every single night, but when I have the extra 5 minutes to add on to my night routine, I like to treat myself to that. Once that essence is fully soaked in, I'm going to be bringing it back old school and applying my anti-dark circle roller by Garnier. I love that this is tinted. I wake up in the morning looking a little less rough, if you know what I mean. Not much, but a little bit. And after that, I'm going to be applying my different gel. Now, this is something new for me. You guys know that I have been battling breakouts lately. So this has been key lately in preventing breakouts since it speeds up the turnover rate of my skin cells, preventing those breakouts from even forming in the first place. And lastly, I swear by this, you guys, Lanlan Nipple Balm on the lips. It's mainly used by breastfeeding mamas on dry, chapped, cracked nips, but honestly, it works wonders on your lips as well. And that is basically my every night skincare routine. You guys have been requesting this a lot, and I know a lot of you guys also want to see an update on my second round of Accutane. Let me know exactly what questions you have down below so I can go ahead and film that video for you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Everything will be linked down below, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah. Bye.